Hi everyone, my name is Ramti, known as eComparison, and today we are going to uncover the truth about marketing and its impact on your dropshipping business. And someone who has scaled my own brand to a whopping of $6 million in revenue just last year, I want to show you my insight and how you navigate this complex industry. Remember when you were told that the breakfast is the most important meal of the day? Well, guess what? That concept was actually invented by a cereal company like Kellogg's to boost breakfast consumption and make billions in profit. This is just one of the examples of how big corporations use marketing tactics to mislead people and manipulate their behavior. Another deceptive marketing tactic involves the bottled water industry. Many people believe that the bottled water is cleaner and healthier than tap water, thanks to the clever marketing campaign. However, research has shown that in many cases, bottled water is simply tap water that's been filtered or treated. The bottled water industry has generated billions in sales while contributing to massive plastic waste and environmental problems. In my 18-month journey with dropshipping, I encountered numerous challenges and obstacles.
My money is still on hold in PayPal. PayPal hasn't answered me yet.
But through dedication and perseverance, I managed to scale my brand to multiple seven figures. One of the key lessons I learned is that the bigger problem you solve in dropshipping, the more you get paid. Unfortunately, many people enter the business with the wrong mindset, either thinking it's easy or aiming to scam others, which leads to issues like Facebook bans and tarnishing the industry's reputation. In order for you to succeed in dropshipping, it's not just about finding a winning product like some gurus claim. The reality is that the winning product can vary across markets. For example, a posture corrector might perform exponentially well in Middle Eastern countries but struggles in the US due to market saturation. Therefore, you need two things to succeed in dropshipping. Number one, choose your market wisely, and number two is find a product that fits your market. Before we continue, I'd like to announce the last week's consultation link. So all you need to do is drop a message to me on Instagram and prove that this is your profile so we can schedule a consultation call. Now back to our discussion on marketing. It's crucial to recognize marketing when you encounter it and understand that it can be used for both good and bad purposes. Whenever you come across a message, consider its origin and the purpose behind it. And remember, the big corporations are primarily focused on making money, not improving your life. Understanding and applying effective marketing tactics can benefit your dropshipping business. Learn from the best by observing the top restaurants and bars and companies that have refined their marketing strategies through extensive trial and error. Okay, so you may ask how I can find these businesses and how can I learn from them. This is very simple, and this has been the simple thing that I've been trying to teach you guys from the day that I started this channel. And this is the reason I have succeeded in a short amount of time. In only 18 months, I was able to scale my own brand to $7 million, guys. So what I did was I found a brand that was selling the product that I was very interested in selling. But at the beginning, I couldn't really do it and compete with them because they were a very big brand and established. And they were selling in top 5 countries: US, UK, Australia, Canada, and so on. So I went through the tactics and marketing strategies and I see what was it that made them very successful. What did they say in the ad creative? What kind of models did they use? Because the model that people use in the ad creative is their target audience. So based on this information, I try to say, okay, if I take this product in a country that have not any activity with this product before, I may be having a higher chance of success rate. So what I did was I tried that specific product in Sweden, since I speak Swedish myself. So I was thinking, okay, let's give it a try and see how it works. And after 1 to 2 weeks, I started to scaling the product to $2,000-$3,000 per day, and then it went to $5,000, $10,000, and I have documented everything in this channel. And basically what I'm trying to get into is I just saw a brand that really did a good job and I replicate that process in another country. If I was to replicate that same process in English speaking countries, it wouldn't really be successful, but the market wasn't the winner. So what I'm trying to say is you need to choose the right market that fits your product, because all of the products can be a winning product when you're selling it in the right market. We have no such thing as a winning product. Basically, European market is less saturated, therefore you will have more chance of building a brand and establish yourself as a brand that really sells this product. right? From there you can grow and expand your business, and once you're really good you can start to sell it in US market in another angle. By observing the brands that you want to sell their products, you will be running their marketing strategies, because all they have done is they have tested, they have failed. So what you should do is find a big brand that is selling the product that you want to sell, and then see which markets they are not active in. Once you did that, you can examine each of these countries and markets to see which one goes best with the product that you want to sell, and all of a sudden you will translate the whole website, and then you will do everything in your own native language of that specific country, and I promise you, you will see the sales start coming through, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you enjoyed this video, and smash the like button as well. Comment down below what do you think about this video. It means really a lot to me, and see you guys next time.